afternoon, good afternoon. What day today? It is 27th of April and also 12 in the afternoon. Birthday ng best friend ko tomorrow! So yeah guys, I'm done preparing and all, but since on duty pa po siya and he'll going to end the shift at 12 in the afternoon I think, or so magkikita kami around 1. So I don't know kung madalatso ba kung ano, but I'm actually planning to do something. So I don't know, but I'm still thinking about it pa. So I'll just get back with you later on kasi we'll have a lot of things to do today. So, bye! Shout out daw sa kanya. May ano, nail artist, si Layla. Ay, ayaw kalimutan. Oo. Layla nga pala po, here at Skinderella. Thank you so much for the service. What can you say? Ayo. Ang name, shout out daw sa kanya. What's the name?
Ruan Gandesa.
Thank you. Ay, mag-out na. I'm done. Hi, good afternoon. Time check, it's 2:12 in the afternoon. Ah, the birthday celebratories. I'm done with my nails nga pala. The nails. That's what you can see earlier. That's my nail artist. So siya nga po pala yung sa kanya ako bumabalik parati po dun sa Skinderella. So now, where are we going? Where are we going? Papunta na po kami sa museum, but kakain po muna kami kasi kaka-out niya lang. Sabi ko, 2 PM yung yung sabi ko sa kanya. Then, wala. Pumunta siya dun kahit walang kain. Galit yung birthday celebrant po. Birthday celebrant! Birthday ko yung mama ko birthday. Open sila. Ini ang iningon na mura siya ka ng pang mura siya 3D dito.
Ito na sa mato.
Gagi. Tingala gani ko no. Uy, dili ko guna naman siya.
Katulog ka na? Inom ka tayo na?
No. Bidli. Hindi kayo na siya promise. Timbakog yun. Dago. Yati.
Halata mo yung plastic mo. Capture sa video. I-include ko na halata.
Good Good afternoon. So, it's 4:36 in the afternoon po. Okay, where am I? I'm currently here at SM Lanang. Kasi, rate daw sa museum. Ayaw niya yung museum. 6 out of 10. Hindi siya na-satisfy. So, now we're going to do the art gallery here at SM Lanang. Thank you.
Thank you.
What? This is your expectation?
This is my people.
Ay, oh. Ay, perfect.
This is my idol lang.
Ay, char. Rinig nyo yun? Ay, siya yung texture. Ganun.
Okay, nice po.
Ganda ko siya.
Makausap mo drawing si Paul?
Wala.
Ingana siya mo drawing.
Ingani yung mga hili.
Kaya. Ingana yung level.
Really? Pero digital.
Ingana ko sa papel ko.
Mama Mary? Yeah, Coastal Road. Magsaysay. Mga postcard.
Gusto. Ano na nabilin? Dagan-dagan mo ito nakita ka po sa kuwan.
Uy! The dragon. Ay! Para kay Pauline. Para kay Pauline.
Ayun o.
Gonna buy this. Lagi pa ko. So that's all for today, guys. So I just wanted to end it up. And yes, thank you so much for your time. With all the love. And thank you. So yeah, it's already 7:30 in the evening. And just don't forget to please like, share, comment down below your insight, guys. That's all. Happy birthday!